Hi guys, now time to do some assignment because we have covered so many topics on the top end and the text card. So the situation is simple. You're sitting in office and your senior manager from the BI team give a message for a task. First, they just give us some appreciation which you did earlier, and second thing, he want to highlight a top customer basis on the revenue as well, right? And then he want to add some card to show the top customer name along with the revenue and the orders placed. So basically, this is the task you got, and when you receive this message, the basically some key objective you need to perform on your reports. So first, you need to add some card on the customer details with the show the full name, right? Second one, you need to apply the top end filter on the basis of the total revenue. And you need to do some QC part to check your top end filter is working fine or you need to add on something. And then when you did that, you need to copy your cards and give two more things like order and the revenue, and the last you need to add some text box on it. So when you did that thing, you will able to know your customer name by the revenue and the order and the revenue like this. So basically this is your task you need to do in the Power BI. So let's do one thing. Let's jump on the Power BI quickly and do this assignment. So this is your Power BI and we need to do some assignment on this, right? I'll open it, add some card over there, select your reports, select the cards, little bit formatting, select here, add some data like I need the full name here, right? So full name I got like this. Now I will give the some filter on it so that it will be so meaningful. Select it, go there in the filter. If it's not visible, let's search the full name from here, copy the full name, paste it here so that you will able to know what is the means this kind of filter will able to come. And top filter one basis on the total revenue. So total revenue is this one, paste it here and apply. So you will get like this. So let's check it. Select in the menu. I'll do one thing. I'll take some space so that it will be more visible, right? Select here, short the revenue because it is on the revenue part, and let's put it on the average. So on the average wise, this one is fine. Let's the high one. The high is Lisa is coming on the cards, and click on the low one. So in the low one, the result are the different. Like it is a Bonnie and it is the some different name. So let's do one thing. Why it is coming? Need to diagnose this. Go to the filter, select this one, the table parts. Select your table and go there in the full name, advanced filter. In the advanced filter, give the exact name which is the coming. Mr. FRANKLINXU and apply the filter. See, the two names are coming there, right? So that's why there's a problem. And the different thing is key. So that time if I'll take the key instead of the name, we will solve this kind of issue. So let's remove it. Select this one, go to the filter, put the clear from here. Now this time take the customer key. customer key here on the select here, full name I don't want, select here customer key, add the data and top it, top one, basis on what? Basis on the total revenue. Total revenue, put it here, apply the filter. Now see, this is the total, the low one also the same. The problem was, now I did take the customer key. Earlier I was taking the full name. So there was a duplicacy. That's why data is coming like that. So if I click here, that is a fine. If you click here, full name, there's a fine. And low also would be the Bonnie. Bonnie is there. So that is the problem solved. So now we'll do some formatting on this. Okay. So let's click on the visual. Go then the formatting part. In the visual, let's search. Let's go on the slot value and search something here. Select here. Okay. So cards on the background color. Let's on the background color. Take the color as this one. Okay. And go then the value part. Color one. Font. Detail label. I don't want the label. All right. Shape and size. Title. Palette value. In the palette value, let's search the font size. Okay. Font size, let's take the go down this one. Let's take 24 is okay. And formatting sprint like this. I think that is the enough, right? And one more thing, the color we can give visual border, background color. Let's change some more color here. Style, shadow, color value. The value this time, let's take the white color. Okay, that would be fine. Select here, go little bit and put this one. And now I want some more, two more cards and the total order and the total revenue. This one more card I required. Little formatting, right? So this one basically I want total order, or I'll take the order from here. Total order, right? And here I want total revenue. Right. So basically that thing we did. We'll do some formatting in this also. Click here, Callout value, and the color this time I'll take this one, or more color, and we'll give the color value there, that is maybe 0 hash ed207, and give the value there, put it here, the same result I want, like this. So that thing the basically we did. Now the last thing, we need to add some text card over there. So first give the text card and put it here on the top of this, put it like it is the customer name, top customer by the revenue, top customer, and this is open by revenue, and this is open, little bit formatting, like go there, size, background color off. I'll take the copy this one, copy, paste, and copy and paste. Let's format it. That is the basically revenue, right? And this one is the order. Right? So basically this is the task we need to perform, right? So I hope you understood this assignment part. Let's do some more practical on the mapping. So this is already left. Slowly we are covered so many topic, the dashboard. This is almost clear. Customer detail, we have put the details over there, and we have already checked. If I click here, it will be changed as per the data. Now I will check the average, I will check the lower, so that is the lower one, a high one also, this is the high one. So that is the basically we covered in this. So stay tuned, work more on the mapping part in the next video. So till then, stay tuned.